Oh yay, it's time for fire alarm test 7. I got this new device today. This is going to be a test video of the Wheelock WMT-24-FR remote strobe. As you can see, the fire lettering is printed this way. And this strobe is part frosted and part clear right here where the reflector is. Let's flip it over. This is basically a 2-wire. Here's your label. Yep, it's just how it is. Let me put the camera down so I can wire this up. Hold on. Alright, hold on. Let me wire this up, guys. I'm sorry it's been taking me a little delay. Okay, ready? 3. Now let's set it off in 3, 2, 1. Don't. And yes, the strobe is 117 candela. There is nothing I can do about it. It's making some kind of weird noise. Yes, you can hear the high-pitched squeal. It's actually the strobe because it's acting like it's on its own alarm. Basically, it's kind of annoying. Kind of sounds like a video game almost. Hey Joey, can you flip off the lights for me? Wow, it's pretty bright. It's lighting up the whole room. Hi, Joe. That is extremely bright. This is like the brightest strobe I have in my collection. It's making some kind of weird noise. It does sound weird a little bit. Well, once again, kind of sounds like a video game. It's probably the capacitor in there that's doing that, but the strobe is supposed to make that noise because it's like on the 7002T series, like on the Wheelock 7002T. You can turn on the lights now, Joe. Yep. Let's cut it off. All right. All right. Thanks, Joey, for your help. And, well, I hope you enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 7 with this brand new device that I have today, and that's it. And one more thing, guys. When you guys look at the label, you can see the voltage on this thing. I know it's supposed to be 24 volts, but do not go past this voltage line because the voltage is only 18 to 33 volts DC. That's what I forgot to say when you guys looked at the label when I flipped over the devices. So, well, this was in fact my first Wheelock alarm made from Wheelock. Well, and I'm sorry to apologize, guys, I don't have the Hornstrobe version of this, which is the Wheelock MT. Well, I've seen these before. Back at middle school, we had these in the classroom, and the alarms that we had were split between the EST Integrities and Wheelock MTs. Edwards Integrities. Back at my middle school. I hope you guys enjoyed Fire Alarm Test 7, and that will be it. Bye.